gonna like do this. Hi, hello. My name is
that's Mitchell Davis.
That is Mitchell Davis.
Everything's taken.
I mean, yeah, everything is taken. So,
Hi, Internet.
now Dan does that.
What's up, world? No, that's
Wait, that's that Storm guy. That
yeah,
D-Storm. What is up, you guys? We are
Tyler Oakley, apparently.
Dang it. Oh, no, can't do that. No, that's Wheezy Waiter.
Everything we can come up with is taken.
Pretty much.
Everything.
Everything. Someone's popular over here. Gosh.
What is this?
Oops.
No, somebody else's too.
Ah, great. Sorry, guys. No, stop. Well, it's 3:24 p.m.
On Saturday, May 3rd.
And this is our intro.
All fun and games aside, we're just those two adventurers, and
This is our channel. Summertime's coming, and we hope to have more things for you guys, of course. And to slowly just gain followers and things like that. Subscribers.
Followers.
Hey, if you're here and you like what you've seen so far, but would
Subscribe.
prefer to see more things, by all means, there's a button down there. It's red.
And
A rectangle.
doobly-doo.
It actually has a play button. That's, I think, is. I guess it'll be on this side. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But click that button, and
to
then
see more.
that's exact. To see more to come. And then there's a thumbs up, but don't thumbs down.
No.
And comment, please. It means people showed up and like watched us and.
We
made
like
us-
it. We like views
Happiness.
and comments and likes.
Despite the fact we've never gotten any
Subscribers.
before, because this is our first video.
Exactly. But
That will soon change.
yes, it will.
Some our special creature.
This
I'll
is our
call him.
special friend who is going to be in every video, but you can't see him because he's just below the viewing range.
His name's David Tennant, otherly known as DT, otherly known as Wolfie.
And if you want to see the DS, which is deleted scenes of this video,
Stay tuned.
yes.
I do have the camera mode to turn it off because we're done.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Is it working?
No, it didn't work.
Oh.
It's on.
Oh, I got this, guys.
You sure?
Yeah.